This Gaggia Cadorna Prestige is an automatic espresso machine made for the home barista. With a full-color TFT screen display and backlit buttons, you can access all of your favorite beverages, create and personalize user profiles, and customize settings on your go-to coffee drinks for creations you can enjoy again and again. For milk-based coffee drinks on demand, the Cadorna Prestige uses an integrated Milk Carafe to froth and dispense perfectly textured milk directly into the cup. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 14 pre-programmed beverages. The Cadorna Prestige comes with 14 pre-programmed beverages including a ristretto, espresso, espresso lungo, coffee, americano, cappuccino, cappuccino XL, café au lait, café cortado, latte macchiato XL, flat white, frothed milk, and hot water for tea, hot cocoa, or infusions. Number 2. 4 user profiles. Create up to 4 distinct profiles on the Cadorna Prestige where you can store your favorite creations without worrying about losing your preferences and for everyday consistency. Number 3. Integrated Milk Carafe. An integrated milk carafe froths the milk twice before dispensing it to ensure the ideal temperature and texture. For easy and hygienic cleaning, it runs through an automatic rinse cycle to purge any milk residue. The carafe is dishwasher safe and can be stored in the refrigerator when not in use. Number 4. Color TFT display. A full-color TFT screen display with backlit buttons gives easy, intuitive access to all of Cadorna's incredible features. Number 5. Tall spouts. Extra tall spouts provide 6 inches of clearance for your favorite cups and travel mugs. The slide-out tray can be used for short cups to prevent splashing. Number 6. Individually customizable drinks. Adjust brew strength, volume, temperature, and more with the intuitive full-color interface. Number 7. Ceramic Burr Grinder. The long-lasting ceramic burrs grind beans directly and with minimal heat transfer for the freshest results in the cup. Number 8. Removable brew group. The brew group can be removed from the machine for regular rinsing and maintenance. Number 9. 1 year, hassle-free 1 year handled by Gaggia directly. Number 10. Included components: espresso machine, milk carafe, group lubricant, grinder adjustment key, scoop, water filter, water hardness test strip, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.